Dear guys, it's Esther and welcome back to another editing tutorial. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of animation. If you've ever wondered how to bring your characters to life and make them talk, you're in the right place. I'll guide you step by step through the process of creating stunning talking animations for free. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced animator, we've got tips and tricks that will take your skills to the next level. Grab your tools, get comfortable, and let's get started on making your animation speak.
Let's go into our Capcut app. Then we tap this symbol to expand features. Tap on text to image, delete what is right there, then type in our own prompt. So after that, we tap generate and it gives us 4 similar images. The picture I'm going to use for this tutorial is not the one I actually used for the talking avatar, so you guys have already seen. You might have to regenerate your image as many times as you like until you see the one that you prefer. But to save time, we are going to keep it pushing. This isn't in YouTube format, so let's change that. We tap modify and then set it to 16:9 and then check that. It should generate 4 images for us in YouTube format. Right now, in order to upscale any of these images, we tap on our preferred choice and then tap upscale. Yeah, so this is the upscaled image. Furthermore, we tap on the upscaled image and then tap on expand. I will really emphasize that we should expand this really back so that if there is any watermark in the final talking animation video, it would be very easy for us to edit it out. I hope you get what I mean. Then after that, we tap generate and then it goes ahead to generate 4 expanded images for us from our upscaled image we just got. We could save all of them if we like, or just one by just tapping on it and tapping save. Yeah, so now we got our image. Next up is the talking avatar. You need to go to our Play Store and download Dupdub if you don't already have it. Register and do all the necessary things. Then yeah, we tap the plus sign, then upload our image generated. After uploading, we tap next and then add an audio. There are different ways we can add an audio, whether by generating the AI audio using the Dupdub app itself, by recording our own voice on the app, or we could import an audio file, or better still, we could generate an audio from a video file on our device. This is how it looks like if we want to use the Dupdub app to generate an AI voiceover. Yeah, so we just choose our language, ethnicity, and then just test them out to know which one we prefer. There is also a place to put in our scripts to be generated to audio, but in this tutorial we are going to be importing an audio from our device. After adding that, I needed to get more credit to start generating my talking avatar. In order to get that, we need to watch multiple ads that will accumulate enough credit for us if we want to use just the free version. And we can also do the daily streak over time. Anyways, after we have done that, we go back to tapping the plus sign and tap continue. So the process keeps it pushing, and yeah, it is already processing.
And And that is how to create your captivating talking animation for free, which you can use to create several format and concept of videos. I hope you found this video valuable. Do give me a feedback in the comment section if you did. Share to others who might be in need of this content. Hit that subscribe icon and we will catch up in my next one.